See that?
Turn around.
Come on, let's go. Come on.
Yeah, go, Michael, go!
Are they going to let him?
Come on, Michael!
Come
on, Rep.
Pay for red.
It's just a game, Sherry.
They're pushing.
Come on, Connor. Kick it. Don't look at it. Kick it.
Our
Come
kids
on,
are like
Red!
this.
Yay! Come on, Red! Michael, get in there and help!
Don't let them take it down the other side.
Come on, Connor!
Hard to Catherine.
Be ready, Tyler!
Number 20 had a good kick, though. Yeah, 20 kicked it like a rocket. No, you're good, sir. You'll get it next time.
Let's go, Storm.
Let's go, Storm. Let's go, Red.
Come on, Red!
Come on, Red.
They just don't want to play, do they?
All right, come on, Red. Yeah. Yeah. All right, come on, Red Storm. All right, let's go.
Come on, Michael! Let's go, Michael! Get in there!
Come on, let's go.
Michael.
Come on. All right, Connor, Catherine, try
Be ready, Tyler! Get it, Tyler!
Right,
Good job, Tyler.
Good goalie.
Julio does a good
Yeah.
job.
How do you know?
Man,
How do you know?
What'd you
Use
say?
both hands with that.
How do you know his name is Julio?
I've just
Here you
been
go.
right.
Use both hands. Come on, Connor.
Stereotype.
All right.
Let's go, Storm!
Hey, we're doing his legs that time.
Come on, Michael, come on! Get in there, Michael!
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go! Oh! Come on, Michael! Yeah! Go, Michael! Go! Oh! Good job, Michael! Way to go, Michael! Come on!
You went down kind of hard that time.
Sorry.